Then stay back, honey.
Okay, Mom. He's scary. He looks different. He looks pretty different, Dad. He looks different. He looks different, Dad. He looks really different. Why is that bed not fitting in there?
See, he's digging. You see how he's pushing the dirt back? He's digging a hole. He's using his back legs to push the dirt back.
I love you, Dad. I love you, Mama.
I love you too,
I
baby.
want to see something else.
Okay, stay back, okay, honey?
I want to look at something else.
Okay, stay right here, baby.
I'm just looking at something else and then I can come back.
Okay, honey.
Where are we going? I'm staying with you right now.
Okay, honey, stay back, okay?
Will we see you?
Well, probably if he felt threatened. Anybody, if they feel real scared, might do something like that. Okay, now
I'll
stay
be
back.
so scared.
Now, he doesn't mean any harm. It's just we don't want to.
Hi.
We don't want to make him feel scared.
I'm just going to say hi.
Okay.
Hi, blue guy. How's it going? Are you pretty good? Oh,
He's digging some kind of hole. See?
I think he's making his home. I think he's making his home, Mama.
I think you're right. Oh, stay back, baby. Stay back.
I love you.
I
He's
love
so
you too.
awesome.
He is.
He looks so awesome.
He really does.
Yeah, he looks so awesome. I have bear feet because I have any feet.
See him kicking the dirt with his back legs?
Yeah, he's awesome.
He is.
He looks
Oh, then
big.
stop doing that, baby. There you go. He's moving those back legs.
Look at him kicking.
He's kicking.
Yeah, dirt.
Yeah, dirt.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice. He has a plant.
He's making a burrow.
He has a little plant.
He does. Stay back, baby.
He has a little plant.
He does.
It makes him safe.
You see how he's refining it with his back. See, he's moving his.
Is he sweeping?
No, he's trying to make his cave.
He says anybody home?
That's his home now.
He says anybody home.
Anybody
guys.
home?
There's nobody home, buddy. You can stay for you. Da, da, da. I think doing something like this. Every animal gets hurt when they say da da da.
They do.